Reading Mastery, Lesson 106. Look at Part A, Word Lists. Column 1, Word 1. Climax. 2. Haggard. 3. Trifle. 4. Verdict. 5. Confidentially. I'll repeat. 1. Climax. 2. Haggard. 3. Trifle. 4. Verdict. 5. Confidentially. Remember to repeat after me after I say these words. Column 2, Word 1. Wretched. 2. Wretchedness. 3. Detective. 4. Interfere. I'll repeat. 1. Wretched. 2. Wretchedness. 3. Detective. 4. Interfere. Column 3, Word 1. Verdict. 2. Haggard. 3. Climax. 4. Trifle. 5. Immortal. 6. Insecure. Please look at Part B so we can learn these new vocabulary words. Verdict. In a trial, a jury decides whether a person is guilty or innocent of a crime. The jury's decision is the verdict. What is a verdict? Pause the video. A jury's decision in a trial. 2. Haggard. When something is haggard, it looks thin and worn out. What's another way of saying she looked thin and worn out after a week in the desert? Pause the video. She looked haggard after a week in the desert. Climax. The climax of a story is a story's most important event or highest point. What is the climax of a story? Pause the video. The story's most important event or highest point. Word 4. Trifle. A trifle is a slight amount. If someone is slightly faster than that person is a trifle faster. What is another way of saying she was slightly more talented? Pause the video. She was a trifle more talented. 5. Immortal. If something is immortal, it lives forever. A book that lives forever is an immortal book. What's another way of saying a song that lives forever? Pause the video. An immortal song. 6. Insecure. When you feel insecure, you feel uncertain or unsafe. What's another way of saying she felt uncertain during the earthquake? Pause the video. She felt insecure during the earthquake. Now please find Part C on the next page. We're going to review these words. I'll start from top to bottom. Word 1, topic. Diary. Atmosphere. Isolated. Villain. Sensation. Flustered. Abuse. Indifferent. I'll repeat. Make sure you're repeating after me. Topic. Diary. Atmosphere. Isolated. Villain. Sensation. Flustered. Abuse. Indifferent. Now let's look at the sentences to plug in some of these words. For each item, say the correct word. 1. When you treat something badly, you blank it. Answer: abuse. 2. A subject that people discuss is a topic. 3. The mood of a setting is the blank of that thing. Atmosphere. When something is all done, it is isolated. When you don't care about something, you are blank about that thing. Indifferent. Last one. Another word for confused is flustered. Now, please watch part 2 of lesson 106 for today's reading.